pants hairs more or less.
What?
I see what you have there, buddy. I see what you have there.
What is this? This is a new trick backing into me?
Aww.
Is that a new trick?
He keeps getting Kleenex.
Oh, because...
Judah, no. No. Find something else. Thank you.
Hi, Alex.
Hi.
Alex is spending the day with the boys. Where's Alex? Where's Alex? There's Alex. Where's Alex? There's Alex. Where'd Alex go? Where's Alex? Oh.
Hi, buddy.
See?
Hi, buds. Okay, go play.
Hey, Judah.
Oh, you can't.
Where's Alex?
Like your head cold? Oh, where's Judah? I don't see Judah anymore.
Say hi, Uncle Rob.
Hi, Uncle Rob.
Judah!
Poor
Hi,
Uncle
Judah.
Rob.
High five.
Bye-bye.
Soccer lesson.